stuff, then we'll start. But if you're hopelessly addicted, you're going to find something good to say about a bad habit.
Well, hey, let's try it.
Feels so good.
Yeah, been about this business, loving all around the house at the truck. Hey, it's the feels.
Alright, don't mind the mess in the background. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to take this apart. I would not recommend doing this if you're not replacing the idler pulley, but I am because Industrial Injection sent me a new one. So I've got a 1 3/8 wrench on one side on the fan. Take my chain wrench around this side. It's like barely big enough for this. Bam. Actually came loose. Voila. I'm just gonna leave that on there for assembly, but here you go. I'm gonna unbolt this and here. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna unbolt this and put this on there. I've not figured out how I'm going to put this back together. From what I understand, when the fan turns, it tightens this, so it shouldn't be that important, but I'm going to red Loctite everything, and this is going to go on here. Every single goddamn 10mm I have is missing. Besides this. Oh, it's an 8 anyways, so never mind. Bearing feels good. Find some Loctite red. You guys might think this is overkill to red Loctite these little bitty thingies, but on my second gen, when I rebuilt my engine and I did all this shit on it. These bolts backed out on the highway on I-25 in construction. So obviously if this is not turning the fan, like the belt came off because of it, I have no coolant flow, so my engine was overheating. So I had to drive it through the fucking construction with it like borderline overheated, and then park it on the side of the road, and thank God I had like 2 of these left that I could find that were sitting on my frame rail to bolt this back together and get a belt for it and get it off the road. But I'm not remaking that mistake again, so I red Loctite the motherfucker into the block, and I red Loctite these little fucking things. So you can judge me all you want, I don't care. If you guys want to not Loctite it or put blue Loctite on it, that is your prerogative. Alright, there you go. Alright. Put this back on, and I'm going to blue Loctite or red Loctite these. Like I said, I don't give a shit if you guys Loctite them or not. I'm going to. I had traumatic experiences with not Loctiting this, so I'm Loctiting it. I don't know if you guys like Snap-on or not, but these little wobble like extension socket things are amazing. And I'm going to take the bolt out of this, the spacer. I'm going to throw it on the other one. So this has red like Loctite on it, or had it, so we're going to Loctite that too. Again, I love these things. Voila. It's all dressed up and pretty. Alright, I just painted my fan because there's no way I could leave that nasty thing, grungy thing, on an engine with now beautiful chrome, like dress-up items, and yeah, so it's blocked now. I think it looks good.